Hello guys, welcome back to Plosive Projects again, and today we are going to make a mobile controlled Bluetooth RC car. It is going to be very crazy and it is very trending project also. So without wasting our time, let's go and make this project successful. So before we start, let's take a look with the components. So they are ESP32, L298 and motor driver module, jumper wires, and a 4WD car kit which contains 4 wheels, 4 gear motors, connectors and screws, car chassis, and some wires to attach to the motors. So let's go and let's see how to attach these things to the car chassis.
So let's start to attach our motors, the wire. So I'm not soldering it because if there is an issue, then I can just pull off. And then now make sure that the red wire is right there and the black wire is there. So let's attach our motor on the car chassis and make sure that this thing is here and the wires are facing inside. And it's done. Attach the velocimetry on the motor. To maintain velocity of the motor. You can also put a double-sided tape on the car chassis to attach motor. Now attach screws to all motors and it's ready. Now attach spacers on the chassis. Now it's done. And our first car set is ready. Let's move on to the second. The second car chassis will contain our ESP32 L298 motor and some extra accessories like wires to connect on it. Now attach motor driver module to car chassis with double-sided tape. Now take 6 female to female jumper wires and connect it to L298 motor driver module and ESP32 with the help of this circuit diagram. Make sure you have also removed the jumpers on E and B and E and A. Now attach ESP32 to car chassis. And our second car chassis set is ready. So I had made this battery pack for this RC car because it needs too much power, too much watt to be controlled for full speed. So this is a 12-watt battery pack. I had made this with 3 lithium batteries and a BMS and some wires and solder it. So if you need a detailed video how to make it, I will show you after a couple of days. So this is a battery which I am going to use. Now attach battery pack inside this like that. It's ready to rickroll, and safety is priority. That's why I have used electrical tape so that there is no short circuit. Now mount car chassis 2 on this. First take these wires out so I can connect it to any module. Now attach screws. Now join red to red and black to black. Now attach the right motors to the out pins 1 and 2 of the L298 motor driver module. Make sure the red wire is here and black wire is here.
So guys, we have to attach our battery positive and negative. The positive should be at this. So I have attached it. And when we connect the negative terminal, you can see that the L298 motor driver module has light up and ESP32 has also light up. So after this, I am not actually powering this up because the battery loses its volts. So after this, you have to just connect ESP32's pin right there, here, and the ground pin right there. So the win one is red one. Win means the 5 watt. This is the red one, and the ground pin is orange. So I'll just attach this. And the red pin goes to right here. This. And the ground pin goes right there. And when we just connect the ground pin, then the ESP32 is also lit up, and then L298 motor driver module is also lit up. So that's all guys. Now let's go to the coding program. So let's begin with the coding part and let's see how we are going to control this. So we have Bluetooth serial.h to include here, and there is these are the motor control pins which I will give the circuit diagram in the video and also in the description, so check them. And this is the serial monitor part, and we can just reset, which the ESP32 has a reset button, and we can also do like that. And these are the pin modes which have input 1 to 4 and which gives the output right there. And these are LEDC setup and LEDC attack pin. Serial BT dot available, and these are some cases which have F forward, then B for backward, L for left, R for right, then G for forward left drift, H for forward right drift, and so on. So this was our coding part, and you have to make sure that you have downloaded ESP32 2.0.3 version because the LEDC attack pin and setup has expired in the latest version. So you have to download the version 2.0.3 right there. So let's go and let's upload it. Let's upload our code to ESP32 and I am very excited right now. So let's upload our code to ESP32 and it's compiling the sketch. And it's done connecting and make sure guys you have installed the version 2.0.3 and it's done. Now guys our RC car is ready to roll, literally roll. So let's go and just take a look and just try to test drive on here and then outdoors and we will just far देंगे that only. So let's go.
So guys, as you can see, I have built this RC car and I have upgraded this battery pack and also put a input for charging it from here. And let's go and connect it with our car, with our mobile. And this is my app which we are going to control to car. And this is my Bluetooth car last connected device and it is connected, and as you can see, forward, backward, left and right, and that's all. Let's go and play with this.
If you loved this project and the car, hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to like this video and do share this video as much as possible.
So guys, how was the trial? Wasn't it good? And thank you for your support because now there are almost 123 subscribers and that's because of you. And my last video got very hit, 600 views I got, and that's because of you. And I hope you will also like this project and love this project too. And that's all. Let's go. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I had made this 12-watt battery pack for this R6.